Hi guys, John, Common Sense Outdoors. I want to do kind of a product test, not really a review. I'm not going to do it to try to sell you on it. I just want to see for myself what this product will do. Let me show you what I'm going to test. Okay, so what we have is a 8-in-1 multi-tool by Tool Bench. So let me open it up. Okay, so what we have on it: bottle opener, another bottle opener. Maybe this one's intended to be a can opener, but let me see what the package said. Bottle opener, can opener. Alright, I want to see that open a can, but anyway. What else we got? Scissors. Those could come in handy, I suppose. It's not a bad little knife. Somewhat sharp. Corkscrew hooked onto the keychain part. Phillips screwdriver. And a very cheap nail file. Doesn't hardly do anything. So, for survival situation, would any of this be worthy of having in my pocket? Nail file's junk. I don't need a bottle opener. Phillips bit could be useful if I have screws in my kit. Scissors. Let's test them. Got 120-pound bank line. Scissors are junk. They won't cut anything. Can opener and bottle opener. What's the chance that I'm going to run across some canned food or a bottle that needs opened? Junk. Scissors don't even want to close back in there. There they go. So we have the screwdriver and the knife blade. Let's see, let's find a stick. Let's put the screwdriver away and see if this thing actually cuts anything. Okay, pretty flimsy. I could probably snap it right off if I wanted to. Not very useful. I mean, it's shaved off a little bit. Scissors don't even want to stay in there. Why did I even want to test this and see what it would do? I picked this up at the dollar store just to see if it was any good. If it'd be worth throwing in a kit somewhere or something. And since I picked it up, I've found multiple people trying to sell them on eBay from $5 to $9.40. My opinion is, for $1, it was worth the test. If you buy one of these off eBay, you're making a mistake. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming to you soon.